You better start thinking about a caption and filter, because now, if you live in New Hampshire, you can take a selfie at the voting booth. The Granite State now joining a handful of other states that either explicitly allow ballot selfies or have no law clearly forbidding it. New Hampshire selfie takers can thank a federal appeals court that ruled banning voting booth selfies is unconstitutional. The court citing the First Amendment, explaining taking selfies ensures that Americans are free to communicate their experience at the polls, including the people for whom they voted. However, before the ruling, taking photos of a completed ballot and sharing them on social media was a punishable offense with a fine of up to $1,000, and that may still apply to you if you live in any of these states. Voting booth selfies are illegal in 26 states, and the laws are murky in 15 of them. So, if you live in one of those states, just do a before and after selfie outside the voting booth. For FoxNews.com, I'm Emily DeCiccio.